it. Giant steps is way too difficult. We got to simplify things and make this all a bit more playable. Okay, first of all, tempo. 300 BPM. Are you kidding me? Let's take it down to a nice 180 BPM medium tempo. Next thing, that key, B major. Don't be stupid. B major is impossible to play. That's C sharp on tenor. Forget it. We're going to B flat, concert B flat. That's C for tenor and G for alto. Lovely. Now, finally, those changes. What's all this stuff about being in 3 keys at once? That's absolutely ridiculous. We need to reharmonize this thing and get right back into the familiar territory of the Great American Songbook with all those standards that we know and love. So let's correct the changes. Right, that's much better. Let's have another go now. All right, that is so much easier, don't you agree? So much better. Tell you what though, you know Giant Steps is like a staple of those hardcore, really competitive New York jazz jam sessions. Why don't we make life a lot easier for those guys and maybe start using this new version? That would make life a lot easier, right? And I tell you what, maybe we should ask a New York jazz saxophonist what they think. So, Dave, what do you reckon? Do you think we should hashtag make giant steps easier or what?
You know what, Jamie? We are working too hard over here. I want to make giant steps easier. Let's do it.
All right, let's play this thing together. Let's go. Special thanks to my good friend Dave Pollack there for taking part. Make sure you go and check out Dave's fantastic stuff. You can check out his YouTube channel and all his educational materials. I'll put links in the description for you. So, are you on board? Do you think we should hashtag make giant steps easier or what? Let's start a whole movement. Don't forget, you can get the PDF for my diatonic version of Giant Steps using the link that you can see there, or you can click the link in the description. And if you want a free masterclass to help you just play better across the board, go and check out my free Saxophone Success Masterclass. Is a really awesome free resource for you to check out. By the way, inside my Inner Circle membership, I've done a really awesome in-depth analysis of the chord sequence on how I came up with it for this new version of Giant Steps, which is also really a mini masterclass on how you play jazz standards, the chords of jazz standards. So worthwhile jumping into the Inner Circle now to check out that YouTube Backstage Pass video. In the meantime, until next week, practice hard, practice smart, and enjoy your music. Take it easy. This is really muggy. I'm just going to hope that what I say agrees with Dave.